Hey guys, and what's up? Welcome back to another amazing tutorial from Team Supreme Gamers. I'm your host Ghostface, and this is a quick guide on Call of Duty Mobile. In this guide, I'm going to assume that you have already installed your kernel in Mesa. If not, you can check out our official install guide on how to do so. So let's get straight into it now. We will need to open Gearlock and choose option 8. This is where we will find our gaming protocols and the Unity fix. Let's start with the Unity fix. Choose option 5, then option 1. Hey, all done. Wasn't that easy? Now let's move to the gaming protocols. Here you can find information on the different protocols. Oh, hey, a warning for you PUBG boys. These protocols disable PUBG. Delta and Omega are the ones that support Call of Duty Mobile. As you can see, I already have mine set to Omega. You may need to try both. Just choose one of the options and press enter. You will need to reboot once it is done. Now that we are back, let's look at GL Tools. We need to open GL Tools and do a quick install. Choose these options and press install. Your system will do a soft reboot, then we are ready to move on. Now open GL Tools again and scroll down and click on Call of Duty Mobile. Click on Enable Custom Settings for this app. Now you can scroll down and turn on the FPS display if you want. Now click Use Fake GPU and choose Use a Template. I use Adreno 630 and change it to Adreno 650. Now scroll down and change Fake GL version to 3.0. This is all I need to do for my system. It may vary on yours though. Let's just check out Call of Duty Mobile and see how it runs now. Let's adjust this so the mapping isn't in the way. Now that it's loaded, looks good so far. So I'll just finish this out with some gameplay. I currently have quality and frames per second set to the highest possible and made sure ragdoll and bloom are turned off. And that's it. Alright guys. Take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe, and thank you for watching. I'm your host Ghostface, and I'll catch you in the next one.